In the context of the modern economy, agriculture is not only the work of farmers in the countryside but also an advanced industry. With a combination of science and technology and modern processing technologies, the cultivation, harvesting and processing of agricultural products such as bananas, melons, ginger and grapes not only requires diligence and patience of farmers but also requires a system of advanced machinery, a closed production process and compliance with strict quality standards. Growing bananas, melons, ginger and grapes is a job that requires extensive knowledge of land, climate, weather and farming techniques. In particular, bananas and grapes are crops that require stable climate conditions, while ginger and melons can be grown in many different areas, but still have to ensure irrigation and meticulous care of seedlings. During the planting process, farmers must use appropriate organic and chemical fertilizers for the plants to grow strongly. For plants such as bananas, it is necessary to choose healthy varieties that are suitable for each land area and are resistant to pests and diseases. Along with that, the use of automatic irrigation systems and smart fertilizers helps to reduce manpower and optimize plant care. Harvesting process. When the plants have grown enough, it is harvest season. This work requires precision and speed to ensure product quality, especially for fruits such as bananas, grapes or melons. Harvesting must take place at the right time, when the fruit is ripe enough but not too ripe, so that the product retains its freshness and durability during transportation. Harvesting bananas, melons, ginger or grapes in modern conditions not only requires the labor of farmers but also the support of specialized harvesting machines and equipment. These machines help harvest quickly, minimize damage and maintain the quality of fruits and vegetables after harvest. Processing at the factory. After harvesting, products such as bananas, melons, ginger and grapes will be transported to modern processing plants. Here, the processing is carried out according to strict standards to ensure food safety and product quality. The products will go through stages such as cleaning, peeling, trimming, packaging, or processing into ready-made products such as dried bananas, melon juice, pickled ginger, raisins, etc. Modern technology, from drying and cooling machinery systems to automatic packaging lines, helps to significantly increase productivity and product quality. One of the important factors in the processing process is strict compliance with food hygiene and safety standards. Modern processing plants have a quality control system from input materials to final products. This process not only helps ensure product quality but also helps protect the health of consumers. An indispensable factor in the process of growing, harvesting and processing agricultural products is technology transfer. The application of advanced technologies in production and processing has helped the Vietnamese agricultural sector increase the value of products while minimizing the impact on the environment. The technology used in processing plants not only helps improve production efficiency but also protects natural resources, minimizes waste and creates environmentally friendly products. In particular, the application of organic farming methods and the use of biological pesticides help protect consumers' health and increase product value. Sustainable farming and processing models have been applied in many localities and brought positive results. Impact on economy and society. The cultivation and processing of hundreds of tons of bananas, melons, ginger and grapes not only contributes to the economy but also helps improve the lives of farmers. Modern production models not only increase productivity but also create many job opportunities for the community. from workers in processing plants to raw material suppliers. In addition, agricultural products processed from bananas, melons, ginger, and grapes also contribute to increasing the added value of Vietnam's agricultural industry, helping to export products to international markets, opening up opportunities for cooperation and development for the agricultural sector. Processing agricultural products in modern factories not only helps increase added value, but also creates highly competitive products in the international market. In the context of the global economy, the demand for processed agricultural products is increasing, especially products of high quality and ensuring food safety. Products such as dried bananas, melon juice, fresh ginger processed into spices, raisins or grape products have been strongly consumed by the market not only domestically but also in other countries. Modern processing factories in Vietnam not only use advanced technology but also focus on the production process. From harvesting to processing, modern machinery systems help ensure consistency in product quality, while minimizing human intervention in the production stages, thereby helping to minimize errors in the processing process. Thanks to the development of food processing technology, many Vietnamese agricultural products have been exported to major markets such as Europe, the US and Japan. This is a clear demonstration of the remarkable development of the agricultural processing industry in Vietnam. Challenges for the modern agricultural and processing industry. Although the modern agricultural processing industry has achieved certain achievements, it is still not without challenges. One of the biggest problems is the erratic change in climate, which directly affects the quality and quantity of agricultural products. Extreme weather events such as storms, droughts, or severe cold can disrupt the growing and harvesting process, especially for products such as bananas, grapes, melons, and ginger. Maintaining product quality from the growing stage until processing is an important factor. Factors such as soil, irrigation water, sunlight and planting techniques need to be strictly controlled to ensure the quality of each crop. In addition, maintaining high-quality human resources for the agricultural processing industry is also a big problem. Agricultural processing stages require the participation of skilled workers who understand the production process and know how to use machinery and equipment effectively. This also requires agricultural processing factories to regularly train and improve the skills of workers. Another big challenge is the issue of environmental protection during the production process. While the agricultural processing industry is developing strongly, the use of plant protection chemicals, pesticides and preservatives is sometimes not strictly controlled, affecting the environment and human health. Therefore, modern agricultural processing plants are facing increasing demands for applying environmental protection measures and ensuring food safety. Sustainable direction in agricultural processing. To face these challenges, many enterprises in the agricultural processing industry have turned to sustainable and environmentally friendly production methods. The use of organic fertilizers, the application of chemical-free farming methods and the use of advanced technology to treat waste from the processing process are important steps to help protect the environment and increase sustainable value for the agricultural industry. Some modern processing plants have applied a closed production process, in which waste from the production process is treated and reused, helping to minimize environmental pollution. New technologies in product processing and packaging also help to minimize negative impacts on the environment. while creating high-quality, safe agricultural products for consumers. In addition, cooperation models between farmers and agricultural processing factories have also developed strongly. This not only helps improve farmers' income, but also ensures a stable and high-quality supply for processing factories. Farmers are supported in cultivation techniques, provided with quality plant varieties, and have access to advanced technologies in harvesting and processing. The importance of promoting processed agricultural products. For the Vietnamese agricultural processing industry to develop strongly and reach out to the world, product promotion is an important factor that cannot be ignored. Building brands for agricultural products processed from bananas, melons, ginger, and grapes not only helps increase the value of the products but also builds the trust of domestic and foreign consumers. Product promotion strategies need to focus on factors such as product quality, safety, and sustainability. Besides, marketing and promotion campaigns on media platforms also play an important role in enhancing brand value, helping Vietnamese agricultural products easily reach international consumers. One of the important factors helping the Vietnamese agricultural processing industry develop sustainably is the development of cooperation models between farmers, processing plants and partners in the supply chain. This cooperation helps solve many problems in the production and processing process, while optimizing resources, minimizing risks and ensuring a stable supply for processing plants. Farmers are not only suppliers of raw materials, but they also play an important role in ensuring product quality from the cultivation stage. Processing plants also need to support farmers in cultivation techniques, provide quality plant varieties and scientific farming methods, helping them improve productivity and product quality. In particular, with financial and technical support, farmers will be motivated to produce high-quality and safe agricultural products for consumers. The cooperative model also helps processing factories optimize production processes and minimize input costs. When there is a sustainable cooperative relationship with farmers, factories can predict the supply of raw materials, thereby building more effective production and consumption plans. In fact, many agricultural processing factories in Vietnam have implemented product consumption contracts with farmers, helping them feel secure in production, while ensuring quality input materials for the factory. Future development orientation. In the future, the Vietnamese agricultural processing industry needs to pay more attention to applying high technology to the processing process. Technologies such as automation technology, artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, are becoming trends in the production of processed agricultural products. These technologies not only help improve production efficiency, but also contribute to ensuring product quality and minimizing environmental impact. Agricultural processing factories can apply automation technology in stages such as packaging, product quality inspection and storage, thereby minimizing human intervention, improving productivity and saving costs. AI technology can help predict consumption demand, thereby helping factories produce flexibly and in line with the market. In particular, applying IoT to production will help agricultural processing factories monitor and control the production process remotely, increase accuracy in each stage and ensure consistent product quality. Smart monitoring systems also help detect and prevent incidents that may occur during the production process, minimizing damage to raw materials and products. Export opportunities and market development. Expanding export markets is an important factor helping Vietnam's agricultural processing industry develop sustainably, with increasingly improved product quality and meeting international standards. Many processed agricultural products of Vietnam have begun to be exported to demanding markets such as Europe, the US, Japan, Korea and countries in the ASEAN region. To take advantage of this opportunity, businesses need to focus on building brands for products, ensuring that they meet the strict requirements on quality, food hygiene and safety and export standards of importing countries. Participation in international trade fairs, trade promotion programs and cooperation with international partners will help enhance the reputation and brand of Vietnamese agricultural products in the world market. A notable point is that the current consumer trend is shifting towards organic products and products processed from natural ingredients. This is a great opportunity for Vietnamese agricultural processing enterprises to produce organic, clean and safe products to meet the increasing demands of domestic and international consumers. Smart agriculture model, potential and challenges. One of the important factors for the Vietnamese agricultural processing industry to reach new heights is the development of a smart agriculture model. This is a model that uses high technology and digital solutions to improve production efficiency, reduce costs and improve product quality, along with the globalization trend and changes in consumer demand. Smart agriculture is becoming an important factor for the sustainable development of the agricultural processing industry. One of the typical applications of smart agriculture in agricultural processing is the use of sensors and automatic monitoring systems to monitor growing conditions such as humidity, temperature, and soil pH, helping farmers to adjust growing conditions to best suit. These technologies not only help save resources but also help farmers be proactive in managing and optimizing the production process. A typical example in the Vietnamese agricultural processing industry is the application of automation technology in harvesting and processing. Automatic machines and equipment help minimize human intervention, increase labor productivity, and ensure accuracy in each stage. In particular, these technologies also help minimize the loss of raw materials during processing, thereby increasing economic efficiency for factories. However, implementing the smart agriculture model is not easy. The biggest challenge today is the initial investment cost for high technology. Purchasing automation equipment and modern monitoring systems can push up production costs, making it difficult for some farmers and businesses to access. In addition, training skilled human resources to use these technologies is also an issue that needs to be solved, because not all farmers or processing workers have enough knowledge and skills to operate complex equipment. The role of the government and supporting organizations. For the agricultural processing industry to develop strongly and sustainably, not only businesses but also the government needs to play an important role in supporting the agricultural industry. The government can create support policies and encourage investment in the agricultural processing industry, especially in the application of high technology and sustainable production. These policies can include tax and credit support, as well as training programs. For farmers and businesses. In addition, infrastructure development is also an indispensable factor. Investing in transportation works, warehouse systems, and waste treatment systems will help the agricultural processing industry reduce costs and improve production efficiency. In addition, the government also needs to promote international cooperation to help Vietnamese agricultural processing enterprises access large markets and create opportunities to learn from advanced production models in the world. Farmer support organizations, social organizations and industry associations also need to play an important role in providing information, knowledge and technical support to farmers. Connecting farmers, processing enterprises and these organizations will help improve productivity and product quality, while minimizing risks for stakeholders in the supply chain. Branding and enhancing the value of agricultural products. One of the important factors helping the Vietnamese agricultural processing industry develop sustainably is building strong brands for processed agricultural products. Branding not only helps increase product value but also builds consumer trust, especially in the context of fierce competition with other countries. Processed products from bananas, melons, ginger, grapes, or other agricultural products can achieve high recognition in the international market if properly promoted. Vietnamese agricultural product brands can be associated with characteristics such as clean, organic, high quality, and safe for health. To build a sustainable brand, processing enterprises need to focus on improving production processes, applying international standards on quality and food hygiene and safety, and paying attention to environmental protection in each stage of production. Marketing strategies may include participating in international exhibitions and fairs, or cooperating with international distribution partners to increase the presence of Vietnamese agricultural products in major markets. Building relationships with international trade partners will help expand the consumption market, increase the value of agricultural products and create long-term development opportunities for the Vietnamese agricultural processing industry. Future vision: sustainable agricultural processing industry and international integration. In the future, the Vietnamese agricultural processing industry can reach out to the world and become one of the leading agricultural processing industries in the region and globally. However, to achieve this, the agricultural processing industry needs to continue to improve and apply modern technology, optimize production processes and enhance competitiveness. Vietnam's agricultural processing industry also needs to continue to promote cooperation between processing enterprises, farmers and supporting organizations, while developing sustainable production models and protecting the environment. Only when all these factors are combined closely and effectively can Vietnam's agricultural processing industry develop strongly, contributing to increasing product value and enhancing Vietnam's position on the global agricultural processing map. With the right strategies, strong investment in technology and comprehensive cooperation, Vietnam's agricultural processing industry will continue to develop and affirm its position in the international market. The agricultural processing industry not only helps increase economic value for the country but also contributes to improving the lives of farmers, creating a modern and sustainable agriculture for Vietnam in the future.